What's up, YouTube? Heading out to my first job. See you when we get there. Alright guys, so I went ahead and pre-treated these areas here. This area here, and this area here. Is I got odor, pets problem. I guess they like to pee in this area and this area. You smell the odor as I walked in a little bit. I mean, the carpets are in great condition as far as visually. I don't see any stains, so whatever they've been doing to keep the stains up is working. In this area also, so I pre-treated this already with some Undoes It for the stains. If there's any, I did a mist over it all. I'm going to agitate it in. And also, I used some hydroxide extreme for the odor. So I already sprayed that down in those problem areas. I'm going to let that sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes until I'm ready to extract, right? Until I'm ready to put down my, my pre-spray and extract. It's already been on here about 5 minutes, so you can tell that the carpets are in good condition. They just want to get it cleaned up, and everybody's trying to be sanitary nowadays, and it's peace of mind. And basically the customers that I've been getting lately has been for pet treatment. So the people that just need regular maintenance cleaning, they're going to hold off, because the people that have pets are the ones going to keep going these times. So I'm asking the customers to take off while I'm cleaning. I do wear face masks while they're here, and I'm about to take this off because they just took off. Have my protection down, and I'm going to go ahead and do a pre-spray with carpet detail. And get to cleaning. So as you can tell, I was hydroxide and about out of that stuff, man. I'm shooting myself in the foot right now because I hope I don't have any trouble ordering it because of the situation going on. Anything that you can use in a fogger, it seems like they're out of. But I'll cross my fingers to get online when I get home and see what I can do. So yeah, carpets are in great condition. It's just right in the entryway, you can smell. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on this. Stay tuned. So I did wait the 10 minutes a lot for the deodorizer to do its thing. It recommends 10 minutes. Usually I even do it longer. But I don't put my solution down, my carpet cleaning solution down, until I've let it do its thing, because I don't want to neutralize anything out, you know. I don't want my pre-spray to get on there and affect the way the deodorizer works. You know, that stuff is made to do its thing on its own, not to be mixed with something. Okay, I finished pre-spraying here and pull out my hose. So I said I was going to pull out my hoses. I lied. I forget. I got to do some pre-scrubbing. I'm not going to pre-scrub the whole entire carpet. Doesn't need it. I'm going to do the problem areas. Like the areas that I do specialty spot treatment on. And this hallway, as you can tell it's a little bit darker. Around the beds, you know, that traffic areas in the home where you're always walking, where all the soil kind of builds up. Now, if you're looking to get into the carpet cleaning business, or just starting out and kind of nervous about the state of everything nowadays, rest assured that the cleaning industry is always going to be in demand, and even more so after all this is over. No matter how long this takes, 1, 2 months, whatever, once everything opens up, everybody's going to want cleaning. So get ready, you know, start working on your business, right? You need to work on everything. Get ready. You know, success is preparation. When it's time to do your thing. So it's the people that are waiting the last minute and all of a sudden things need to be done, but you didn't prepare. Well, the people that did prepare, the people that did work on their business websites, educating yourself in this time too on the whole cleaning process and what solutions to use, because the solutions you use are going to be a big question with your customers after this is all over. They're going to want something safe but effective. So if you can get safe and effective, you're going to be good. So preparation, when preparation meets opportunity, amazing things can happen. Now, I'm not the type of person that wishes this type of stuff to happen so I can be successful in life. No way. No way. But it just so happens when I picked up business that I wanted to pursue, just so happens I picked cleaning business, and that's, you know, I'm proud of it. And any house cleaners out there, you too, because I know a lot of people want to look down on house cleaners. You know, my wife cleans houses for a living, and I told her, you know what, you need to be proud of what you do, because right now people really value that service. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish pre-scrubbing this whole house in the areas that need it, and then I'll pull out my hoses. Stay tuned. Not sure if that's a stain or not, but being there has been issues, they do have issues with pet stains. I'm going to go ahead and treat that. I'm going to treat that like it was a pet stain. It may just be a furniture mark, I don't know. But, yeah, better safe than sorry. Okay, this is undoes it. Don't take long for this stuff to work, so by the time I get back in there. I'll be able to extract. Hey, by the way, guys, I hit 1,000 subscribers a couple days ago. So thank you for everybody who supported me, who subscribed and keeps watching my video and keeps commenting and liking, because that really helps as far as getting the videos out. It really helps, and I'm really appreciative. It was a milestone I wanted to hit, you know, a goal, right? My next goal is 1 million. Yeah, that'll never happen, but anyway, there's some guys doing some great things out there as far as carpet cleaning, advanced carpet cleaning. They got like 180,000 subscribers. So that's really cool. Congratulations, guys. And you know, Truman Steamers, he's one of the top guys in the industry. And as far as this video thing, teaching a lot of people. I've got a lot of knowledge from that guy, you know. You can hate him or love him, but pay attention to his videos and it'll help your business. Truman Steamers. Courtney is his name. Alright, I got some tight corners here. I'm going to use 2 hands, so stay tuned. All finished up. The carpets came out great. Smell better, which was our main concern. Yeah, smells a lot better. You used to be able to smell urine when you walked in the front door. I can't smell it no more. And being it's still wet, that's a good sign, because when it dries, it usually doesn't stink as bad. But when you wet it, it just kind of slaps you in your face. So. Alright, so I'm going to call it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks again for subscribing and supporting my channel. And yeah, so keep doing what you're doing, and I'll keep doing what I'm doing. If people are watching, I'm making them. See ya.